Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla.
Let me tell you something, people. If me go somewhere and a bike a carry me, any hour of me I drive or ride it, because them claim to say I drive bike. But any hour of me they round the handle or steering, as we want to call it, me nah go. You get what me I say to you? You see, you have to respect the man them way do the stunt thing and catch the stunt craft, because believe me, I want dangerous art that, you know, man. I don't want easy sitting in. Remember me tell you, Jamaicans have some of the craziest stunt rider them on earth. You see what I say? No, me personally now go encourage a man to do the stunt riding. That I want him, me can tell you that. You see what I say? But at the same time, I have to big up the one them who don't catch the stunt riding already. You see what I say? Yo. Alright, anyways, big up to that stunt rider there and big up to you, my viewers. So I say I want to give a shout out to people like Lorenzo. You see what I say to you know, Angie, Andy Dread, you see what I say, Marlana. You know the thing already. Quite a few of my viewers them will subscribe or they know them just stick to my channel and so forth. You see what I say. And as always, you can always let me know what you think, and don't be afraid to click the subscribe button if you're brand new to my channel, because you don't know, so I keep on up to date with the hottest thing on social media as always. You see me? My name is Skilla, and this way just see is Dancehall Skilla ENT. You know, big up on yourself.
Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, me know. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.